Every year, millions of liters of rainwater go to waste, either lost through storm drains or contribute to urban flooding. But there's a smarter way. Collect it, store it, and use it when you need it most. It's a simple idea with a powerful impact: rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting collects, filters, and stores rainwater from rooftops and courtyards. Integrating with existing plumbing through downpipes, first flush diverters, and cleaning filters. Delivering clean water for various uses. Storage tanks can be above or below ground, made of concrete, plastic, or metal. Size depends on catchment area, local rainfall, and water needs. Effective systems require assessment of roof surfaces, existing pipes, tank locations, rainfall patterns, and local aquifers. Benefits of rainwater harvesting: conservation of water, preventing groundwater depletion, reducing urban flooding, improving water quality, enhancing climate resilience, lowering energy use, and minimizing pollutant runoff. Key components of rainwater harvesting system: collection pipelines, filtration units, storage tanks, distribution pumps, and treatment filters. Specialized injection wells support aquifer replenishment. Just 25 millimeters of rainfall can generate 100,000 liters of water on 1 acre of land. Need a smart rainwater harvesting system? Partner with TekBerry for complete water management solutions.